Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can find card pin on Revolut. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So guys, first of all, open up any type of preferred browser and search for Revolut Help Center. Open up the first site that comes up and simply log in with your own account. And once you have accessed the Help Center, you can just follow the given instructions and get the desired results. You can also change the steps for the personal account to steps for a business account too. The Help Center service at Revolut is so unique that they also provide video tutorial instructions so that the user can understand each and every step carefully. You can simply check your card pin by visiting its settings inside the app. Note that there's no pin for a visual card, and that's how you can find your card pin on Revolut. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.